Today, you're going to learn how to track your tax-deductible expenses automatically using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll show you simple prompts you can copy and paste so you always know what to record, how to organize it, and how to turn it into a tax-ready summary at the end of the year. Open ChatGPT and type, "Create a monthly expense tracker for tax-deductible items for a freelancer in the UK/US." ChatGPT will instantly generate a spreadsheet layout with categories like home office, mileage, supplies, software, the phone, travel, marketing. These match common deductible categories used by HMRC and the IRS, so you can claim more without guessing. Next, type. Turn this into a table I can copy into Excel or Google Sheets. ChatGPT will format everything into a clean table you can paste directly into your sheet. Each month, just paste your receipts or totals into that sheet. You don't need to be perfect. Just record the basics. At tax time, paste your sheet back into ChatGPT and type, "Total my expenses," and create a tax-ready summary. ChatGPT will add everything up, categorize it, and turn it into a summary you can use in your UK or US tax return. Comment down below the tax topics or challenges you want help with, and I'll show you the exact ChatGPT prompts to make them easier.